Let's check out the opening for Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skills Season 2. Oh, this is upbeat already. Okay, this is fun. This is cool. I like the going between scenes, showing the picture frame in the background of them. I really like this. Visually, it's fun. Damn. Rain, I love rain. Dragon. God. Oh, this is a vibe. Yummy good day. The fuck is that? I don't remember seeing that in season 1. Oh, this is fun. This really is fun. Skull. Yeah. Ooh, I like the lighting. Okay, that was really good. That was such a fun vibe. It was fast. It wasn't too heavy. It wasn't too slow. It was, honestly, for what the show is, perfect opening. Like, it complements it well. On its own, very catchy, too. I love that so much. That was a lot of fun. I'd easily give that a 9.5. Really good. Alright, let's check out the ending. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, I love rap. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh, I saw someone. Who's this? Not him. Not her. Who are these two? Oh, I like this guy. I really like his design. He's very attractive, but who is he? I don't think we saw him in season 1. I'm pretty sure I remember him. Yeah, touch. Oh yeah, I love this one. Salt and pepper. I really like the style that they went with for like the visuals for the ending. It's fun. Not too like hectic or anything. It's just chill. It's such a vibe. Okay. That was really good. That was a lot of fun. I like that a lot, man. Yeah, that was fun. I like that a lot. It was catchy, not too. It was perfect for an ending, I think. Because as I always say, with openings and endings, I think they should thematically match in terms of like vibes and stuff to what the show is. That's a belief I always have whenever I watch and listen to openings and endings, and I think this matched perfectly. It was fun, upbeat. Wasn't too heavy, it wasn't too slow, but it wasn't as like fast as the opening was. It was very good for an ending. It fit well, the visuals were fun, music, great, love that. Easily, I'd also give this either a 9 or a 9.5, just like the opening. They were both really good, which honestly, that's pretty rare for me to like both the opening and ending for the same show. Really good.